Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this Yamaha 5-disc CD player to show you. The model number is CDC-735. But before we get into it, quick fun fact for you. Did you know that Mercedes-Benz was the first car manufacturer to include CD players in their automobiles? Yeah, if you didn't know that, now you do, but let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have digital coaxial audio output right here, and then you have your line output for standard analog audio. And then this particular one was manufactured in November of 1993. To connect it, you'll just match up the colors on your audio cable to the analog line output, or you can use the digital if you prefer. And you can connect this to just about any speaker, but I would recommend having a sound system similar to what you see right here. So once it's all plugged in, you can power it on and put a CD in. And this is the original remote for it. You have your disc skip button, track skip buttons, search. You can search through the song. You can adjust the output level. You can turn it all the way down or all the way up. And then you have your stop, play buttons. And then you can easily jump to a track with the track select buttons. With the random button, you can shuffle through the CDs and the tracks on the CDs. And then you also have program play. And the dimmer button, you can completely turn off the display if you want to. And with the time button, you can adjust how it displays the time. And on the front panel, you have your power button right here. You have your time button right here, so you can adjust the time again. Your disc select button, so you can jump to a disc. And then your track select buttons right here. Then you have track skip. You can search through a track with the search buttons, output level again, file/save, your mode button, repeat, random, and then you have play, pause, stop, disc skip, and then Playxchange. With the Playxchange button, you can play one disc while you exchange the other 4. And then you also have a phone's output right here if you want to connect some headphones to it. That's pretty much all there is for this Yamaha 5-disc CD player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.